Hello everyone, this is me again, Rin Yamamoto. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do perfume related videos mostly. If that is your thing, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. And I just want to share to you guys what I got from Zara. This is just a mini haul. So in this bag, I got these sandals. It doesn't have a box. This is how it looks like. It looks comfy and sturdy, and I like this color. When it comes to sandals, white, tan, or beige is my favorite color. And it says here that this is a leather. It is made from high quality leather. Any creasing or irregularities are natural features of leather which makes each piece unique. Actually, this is my first time to buy from sandals from Zara, and I think they are good quality. They look sturdy. So I'm happy with my purchase. And then I got 1 fluid ounce of Zara Gardenia EDP and 3.4 fluid ounce of Zara Violet Blossom. This is my first time to buy a fragrance from Zara, but I already had Zara Tuberose before. Someone gifted me that, but I can't quite remember its scent now. What I remember is parang light lang siya na floral, na parang may pagka powdery yung scent niya. Am I right? Well, during those time, I am not yet collecting perfumes. So let's try this one. I heard in some reviews that this one, they said that this is a dupe for YSL Black Opium. Well, I don't have Black Opium, and I don't know the scent and the difference. What I can say is, I like the scent of this one nung trinay ko to sa store. This has something warmth and sensual in it. And when I tried this at the store, it was a love at first sniff for me. I know that this is something that I want because lately I am craving for something dark, warm, and sensual. I don't know. I should be wanting bright, sparkly, summery type of scents because it is summer here, right? But I don't know. Never mind. Ang importante, masaya tayo sa nabili natin, di ba? Sorry. I like it. Very simple lang yung niya, yung bottle niya. Very minimal. Medyo ma-alcohol siya sa unang spray. Pero I get the vanilla. And then I got Violet Blossom. This is it says here, Night Collection. Other than these two, I sniffed other versions too. Like yung red vanilla, ruby berries, night fields, femme, and among those that I have tested, these are what I like the most. Let's unbox this one. This is the bottle. Sorry. I like it. It smells like it is really appropriate for evening. And it says here that I seen on Fragrantica that this has a cherry blossom note. But I don't get much of the cherry blossom. It isn't that sweet or prominent. Hindi siya ganun ka-prominent dito, yung note na cherry blossom. But I like it. Oh. This is my mini haul from Zara. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and join me in my next discovery for fragrances. See ya!